Hello and welcome to today's technical drawing class. We're going to be replicating what you're seeing at the right corner of the screen. It's an isometric drawing, so without wasting much of our time, I'll take my set square, my T-square, and draw my horizontal line this way. Right? So after I've done that, I will take my set square. I will draw an incline 30 degrees as usual. Right? This way. Now, what do you observe? We are given diameter of 60. It simply means the length and breadth are of 60 centimeters. We measure 60. From this point to this point is 60. Right? From this point to this point is 60. Right? So next up, I will project them upward. Yes. I will project them upward. So doing that, this way and this way. Right? So next up, I will measure the height. My height is given to be 30. As you can see, that arrow indicating at the right corner of the screen. So I measure 30. From this point here to this point is 30. Now, similarly, with the aid of my height, I will use this to form a box, right? That's the concept. So take it this way, join this to this, right? Then join this to this point here, right? So automatically close it up. Close it up. So take it this way, and stop. Take it this way. So I'm having this box. As I always tell my students, I would advise to take a cleaner, eraser, to clean all this unwanted line to avoid line mixing together. Yes, because in this isometric, some lines always link together. So to avoid, to see what you are doing very well, you need to clean it. So I'm having this, right? What did I observe? This upper, let me call it a square because 60, 60, 60, 60. This upper square has a circle width of what? 60 diameter, right? It simply means half of this is what? 30. So I'll find the center point for this. So find my center point, I will take it this way. This is from here to here 6, right? So 30 is my what? Center point, right? At this point here, for 30, from here to here is 30, right? So I will take the help of my set square. I will use it to find my what? Center line, center point. Sorry, center point. To think like this. This is my what? My center point. Now, next up, I will take my listen. Here's the concept. Here's the concept. This edge and this edge are the longest edge. This edge and this edge are short, while this and this are long. The longest part is join together, such that it will touch this edge and the last edge and the center. So doing this way, take it that way. I'm having this, right? Next up, I'll take it from this point here to this point, and from this point here to this point. I'm having this, right? So with the aid of the compass, at this point, make sure you get it to this point here. So at this point to this point. So at this point here to this point. Right? This is one here. Other part here too. Take it the same way. Let's reduce it. Yes, at this point here to this point, right? I'll be having this. Next up, come to this edge point here and extend it this way. Right? So get it having this point, right? Come to another point here where you meet, get it, point here to this point. This is a perfect circle here. Next up, listen. Next up, we take this one here, extend this way, right? Come to this point here, extend it this way. If you observe, it's forming with another square down, right? So where's the principle? You take your interval, you drag another point, center point together this way. Can you see that? Right, so you come to this point here. Since you have drawn that line, you take your set square. You know, at this point here was one that gave us this, and this point here was that gave us this, right? So those points, you take them down, you put them downward to that line. This point down to that line. So we're having this, right? So next up, I will take this edge point too. This one here. This one, take it down. And this one, take it down. Right? So what I just need to do now is to take my compass at this point, get it to this point here, and draw it this way, not passing to the line. This way, can you see that? Come to this other point too. Take it this way, right? That, yes, so this way, yes, we're having this, right? So automatically, I will come to this point here, with the point here, and extend it this way, so such that it's touching each other. You see that? They are meeting. So similarly, I'll take my set square to do a vertical line. Put another part here, draw a vertical line upward. So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button below. Thank you. Welcome to WAEC Academy.